Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is an excellent campaign with a cause initiated by the Government of India, headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. In January 2015, a small savings scheme called Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana was launched across India to ensure and empower girls' child's education. SSY is a government-backed savings scheme as a part of the Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao Yojana for the benefits of the girl's child towards providing financial security and independence to women. It can be opened by the parents of a girl child below the age of 10. In Nagaland, with the launching of SSY in 2015, a total of 5,298 accounts holders have opened SSA across the state. Speaking to Daniel Thong, System Administrators, Division Postal Kohima, Nagaland said that an SSY account has to be opened in the name of a girl's child only by the parents or legal guardians. It can be opened anywhere in India through post offices or authorized commercial banks with a minimum of Rs 250 to open the account.
To open this account, certain documents, that KYC documents is needed. That is, one ID proof is required and one address proof is required of the guardian, plus the birth certificate of a girl child is required as a proof of age of the girl child. And this SSA account can be opened across Nagaland through post office. A minimum of 250 has to be deposited in one financial year, and a maximum of 1.5 lakhs can only be deposited in one financial year in a particular account.
He said that the proceeds on the maturity of the Sukanya Samriddhi Yojana account can be utilized for the girl's child education and marriage, and the rate of interest is one of the highest among government-sponsored savings schemes.
SSA account, it gives the highest interest rates than any other saving accounts in any nationalized, in any banks, commercial banks. Can be opened by a girl child below 10 years of age, and the maturity period for this SSA account is 21 years from the date of opening. A depositor has to continue depositing up to 14 years from the date of opening, and when a girl child attains 18 years of age, a partial withdrawal up to 50% can be made for the girl child's education purpose or marriage expenses.
While Sungjem Lila, a beneficiary girl child mother, said that she was depositing an amount for her girl child SSA account to ensure her higher education. She also appealed to the girl child mothers to come forward to avail the scheme. Shibu Das, a beneficiary father, while interacting, gratefully expressed that he too has been depositing an amount of Rs 1,000 every month for the girl child to ensure her future.
The government of India has able this scheme for 2 child, maximum of 2 child. I have already opened this account, and I have deposit monthly of 1,000 per month, and this has the highest interest rate as per all the accounts, all the schemes of Government of India scheme concerned.
In Nagaland, the SSA can be availed at any post office across the state with required documents. The completion of the account is 14 years and the maturity period of the account is 21 years from the date of opening the account. Even after the account completes 14 years of tenure, the interest gets accumulated until the child turns 21 years of age. In Nagaland, the postal network has its head office in Kohima, 41 sub-offices and 300 branch offices, which are open to avail for SSY. With Inzan Bemo Khuvong, Kohima.